And what we're looking at here is the drift in front of my parents' house that's as tall as the snowplow. All the snow comes off the field and gets caught up in the whirlwind right where the trees make the windbreak, so it has to stop right on the road. I've lived there for 15 years and never seen the drift that big ever. It's usually about a foot or two. But the blizzard-like conditions have created such a hassle, even the snowplow is going to have a hard time getting through here.